Now I'm getting ready to go put the this bird seed wildlife mix in the little bird seed hangers on my tree. So let's see. Here we go. And I bought this from Amazon. So now we're gonna walk over to my tree. And I just hung up these lovely little metal hangers so I can start feeding the wildlife here at my favorite tree. So I already have one hanging up right here. Okay, so here goes. Whoop, there goes one. And look, there we go. So here's my lovely tree, and here's my other one right here. There we go. And I have one hanging right there. And so tomorrow morning, all the critters should be out and hopefully feeding on my tree. And I'm also ordered some like wooden border to go around the tree. So anyway, let's see what happens tomorrow morning.